Is that good, Connor? I'll do it. 1 second.
Is this thing gonna move at all? Like to the left, to the right, to the left?
No, it moves back.
I pushed my seatbelt in more so it fall out of place.
Check on that yellow tab.
Like that way.
I got it.
You're gonna want to hold on.
My camera, put your hand up. Check on that yellow tab. Check on my yellow tab.
That's mine.
Go ahead and tell me. Stay clear of that sliding gate.
I might have to use that.
Well, I don't have one. So,
I'm gonna.
friendly reminder, no flash photography or filming. Hold on to all loose items such as glasses, hats, and bags.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Chloe, put your hands down and hold on to something. Start things right.
Wait, you still have this one last time?
Yeah, same way. Hit me with your
Let's roll!
Hey, they got out!
Hey, stop! I should hit this.
Is that Disneyland? This is so cool! What happens if I push this button? Yes, you got my walk there. All right, here. Thanks, See ya.
We are out of here. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Why are you thinking that? It really does it.